Check out this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power mirror, passenger vanity mirror, tow hitch, passenger illuminated visor mirror, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, and power door locks. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.